so hungry. Oh, I feel so hungry. Just a few minutes, it's ready. Go sit down there.
सूरज हुआ मध्यम चांद जलने लगा.
Did I tell you to wait for me? Go sit down there. Why do you keep coming here? What is wrong with this boy? Just give me a minute, I'll bring it to you, okay? Okay. What a good boy. Okay, I'll wait. You're not gonna believe what I cooked for you today. Bring it here for me. Look at me, I just made it for you. Come have a look. Yeah, you ready? Open it, let me see. Ta-da! Oh, I told you to cook for me pasta. What do you mean you don't eat, guys? Something I cook you don't eat? No.